Fashion design is a competitive industry, so you need to get skills for you to thrive in the industry. A student with an interest to study would likely earn a bachelor's degree or a 2-year college degree in fashion designing. They study textiles, how textile and fashion design came to be, and how to create a design. Some may go further to achieve other degrees to market their skill properly. Programs that cover product development, effective retailing, planning, and sales. However, this is not necessary for a person to start a career as a fashion designer. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below to get a notification on our next video. A fashion designer designs clothes using different equipment such as sewing machines, needles, thread, etc. They look for designs that suit their customers and make clothing with them. Also, fashion designers search for various trends in fashion and create their designs. So, can we call a person who sews clothes a fashion designer? Well, the answer is no. These designers don't only sew clothes. They can predict trends in fashion and make use of the best tools such as draping tools, fabric pressing tools, and of course, some computer software such as CorelDRAW, Photoshop, etc. Becoming a fashion designer has a promising future for those who engage in it. It promises an exciting career, therefore, the love and passion for becoming a fashion designer should be the first reason a person would want to venture into the industry. As one of the largest growing economies, it is competitive and gainful. The rate of celebrities and stars has increased lately, giving rise to high fashion and demand. Therefore, going into the fashion designing world can yield more profit than you have ever encountered. The fun part is that fashion designing doesn't just apply to clothes, but to makeup, shoes, and even jewelry. They are capable of working on the dress and other materials to make it stylish, using specific instruments. Most times, they search for designs in vogue and use the method to create another. Fashionable people patronize fashion designers daily to create and invent new styles for them. The income of a fashion designer varies as several factors contribute toward it, some of which are: Number 1. Location. The location a fashion designer locates their business can contribute to their income. Most civilized areas patronize fashion designers over underdeveloped places. This means that a fashion designer located in a well-developed area or society may likely have more income than those situated locally. Number 2. Exposure or experience. An individual with long-term experience in the fashion designing world may likely earn more than those with little or no experience. Number 3. Qualification. Suppose an individual goes as far as getting a degree to become a fashion designer. Such an individual will stand out in the fashion designing world. This is because people believe a certified person is more skilled. Now, to put figures according to statistics, an average fashion designer earns a minimum of $70,000 to $80,000 annually in the United States. Since we have looked into who a fashion designer is and how much they earn, let's consider the basic steps needed to be a fashion designer. Step 1. Get a certificate. Getting a certificate means acquiring degrees from colleges in fashion designing to help you stand out in the market. Step 2. Learn the skill. You can do this by applying to any fashion designing establishment as an apprentice to get hands-on experience. Step 3. Improve your learning. In the process of acquiring this skill, you must put your best, making sure you learn every single bit of what is given or trending. Step 4. Build your portfolio. Building a portfolio involves engaging in different works and designs to attain professionality in the field. Step 5. Stay updated with the latest trends in fashion. To become a fashion designer, it's either you go in for a degree or start without any. Going for a fashion design degree takes years to accomplish. An associate degree might take 2 to 3 years. On the other hand, a bachelor's degree in art will take at least 4 years, while a master's will be attained by 6 years. Although it might take time, these certificates give you an edge as a professional among many designers. But becoming a fashion designer without a certificate might take longer before such a person is recognized in the fashion designing industry. Most times, it is advisable to pursue a degree course that will give vast knowledge on your field. As a fashion designer trying to get the best and become a professional, you must spend on various things such as tuition fees and more for the college. After that, you will have to sign up with a fashion designing company to get good training. You will learn as an apprentice, but this is not free, since you will have to pay a certain amount of money to acquire such knowledge. The average amount spent to get a bachelor's in art is $36,000 annually as a full-time, but take note that it varies in different schools. Although getting a degree is more beneficial, some may decide not to get a degree. It all depends on the individual. Becoming a fashion designer takes time and requires patience and passion to thrive. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please share your opinions in the comments section below, and remember to click the subscribe button to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.